Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys portable hotspot setting guys, how to enable in Poco phone guys. You want to enable guys a portable hotspot setting. After enable guys, how can you use today? I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to enable portable hotspot in Poco phone and how can we use it. First of all, guys, we will on our phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see portable hotspot setting guys. Tap on portable hotspot. Guys, you can see portable hotspot. Guys, you want to enable, you can enable from this right side. After enable, guys, you can see share QR code. So when you want to share your hotspot to any with your friends or family relative, guys, you can share from here. Friends, you can see portable site, guys. You can check from here, guys, your password and guys your name, device name. You can check from here, guys. And guys, you can see one time data limit, guys. You can on and off from here. And guys, you can size, guys, you 100 MB and guys 550 200 custom you can use from here guys your portable hotspot setting. So like that guys you can enable and guys you can see turn off hotspot automatically guys, you can enable and disable from here. So like that guys you can enable your portable hotspot and you can use in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.